This is Anil from marketingautomationfocus.com. Today I'm going to be talking about and doing a quick updated review of SiteGuru. SiteGuru is an SEO audit tool with some other cool features that they developed over the past several months or almost a year now. Over time, they have improved quite a bit and they have changed the UI and user experience as well. So I'm going to be talking about that. It's an updated review of SiteGuru. And because I've done one, and the link to that review that I've done about a year ago is going to be below this video. And so this is going to be a rather, hopefully, a shorter version of review, just showing you some key features of SiteGuru. But I'll try to be as thorough as possible, not take too long for this session. As you can see, the SiteGuru is an SEO audit tool for your website or domain. And it gives you the key feature. One of the key features is prioritize SEO to-do list. And I'll take you inside of my account and quickly show you their new UI and some of the new features that are really neat. And it's one of those tools that I have other tools, SEO audit tools, and I go in between those tools as needed. And this is the tool that I actually keep coming back to just because simply for audit tool itself or auditing a website itself, it is so easy to follow and update. And I'll show you a few things really quick. So anyways, let me just go through this, and it gives you this like I said, it gives you a prioritized to-do list, which is really neat as a dashboard. And it's kind of showing you here with this GIF, and you can do it really fast, and it's really true. And the key thing here also for me at least is it's so kind of intuitive in the sense that you not overwhelmed, and it's easy to follow and easy to see like how, what's wrong or what needs to be fixed. And then it gives you a very good simple guide, also explanation. So more often than not, you will actually be able to fix issues, unless it gets too technical then, but that's not a reflection on the tool itself, right? Some things can get a little tough or complicated to fix depending on what those are. And so it identify opportunities automatically, as it says here. Okay, and then you can monitor the progress, and I'll show you some of these features. Okay, so let's just quickly go inside of my account. So here's my account, and I have few domains that I'm using it for, and this is one of the domains here, marketingautomationfocus.com. And you can see that when you log into your account, you click on your domain or website, you'll see a dashboard like this. Okay, so as you can tell, that it gives me a really nice SEO to-do list in a prioritized manner in terms of most likely what things that you want to fix first. And so, yes, I do have my work cut out for a while, actually, that I haven't done much, from the time that I had added this domain. Okay. But you can dismiss it, as you can tell. And if you click on this, it'll give you the explanation. So let's just click on this really quick. It's not a thorough tutorial, otherwise it's going to be too long of a session or video. And so it gives you this kind of summary. They improved how this information is presented. I like the crisp kind of card view in almost like a 3D view kind of thing. It kind of pops out or pops up in a way. and it's so easy to follow, and you can choose to ignore. You can see like view report. The view report slides out. This is awesome. You can either use the cross, or you can just click anywhere outside that slider or tray. And so this is what I like. So you have an option, and you once you click here, or once you click here, for example, if I click here, well, it's taken to my page. So I'm going to get out of here. So I'm back in SiteGuru. And by the way, the domain is siteguru.co. That's their website domain for SiteGuru. And so when you click on this link, obviously it's going to go to the page. That's what just happened. And if you want to get the report, you can click on view report. If you want to ignore this, you know what you're doing, why this is showing up like this, that is blocked by meta tag, then you can ignore and it won't show you that. So let's go back here. So basically you can go back to your home, which is the dashboard for this website, and on the top, sort of towards the left here, as you can see, you can select the domain. So I'm not going to click on that. And then it basically gives you, apart from the SEO to-do list, it gives you a top-level view of your audit status, how many sessions of your, for your website or domain, and the SEO goals. This is something I think either I just didn't notice, or they included this. I don't recall seeing it, to be honest, but this is really cool. And maybe I think I had not added the SEO goals, which could be like keyword. So it does keyword tracking, which I don't recall that they had it, and I was just simply using it for audit. And now I'll show you some of the neat features, which I believe new in the sense that maybe they were added, I think, a few months ago. I had noticed, and so now I just selected some of the keywords that it actually showed me that which ones are which ones are the ones that are probably easier to rank. And so that's kind of your SEO goal, to rank those keywords for those keywords higher. Okay, so let me not go into too much detail, but I just wanted to show you. Then it's a view of site structure, and each page has the health sort of meter and this bar, right? So you want to have as much as possible 100% all green, right? And then it's just my logo and my company name down at the bottom. So this is cool. And let me just quickly, so it gives you timeline and site tree. Okay, so timeline is a really nice. I think they improved some of the way it looks. So it's a lot more crisp and easy to see and really catch, like really browse through. So that's good. Site tree is a simple view of site tree structure in a tree format, and it has a download which actually downloads this PNG of this site tree view. Okay, so that may be useful for something. And then if you click on goals, so like I was saying before, that I added some of these keywords, and it says status is active, and related to those keywords, it gives me open action. This is really cool, right? Is it that I don't recall? I'm not an SEO expert by any means. I know a few things, but I've learned over last couple years. But um, I think the other SEO tools may be useful and equally competitive, but it depends. Maybe if you're comfortable and used to some tool, you can probably achieve the same thing with those tools. But for me, it just jumps out much better or clearer, and so I can take action and I feel comfortable. Okay, what do I need to do, right? So if I click on this 4, let's just quickly do this. Then it tells me all the things that these are the 4 actions, right? And it's telling me it's got medium impact. So this is really cool. So then, and the other one, completed actions, is it shows me here, which is related to that keyword and the target page for that keyword, right? So this is really neat. This is exciting, really, to be honest. And besides some of the other things, so you can have insights dashboard. So keywords was the one that I had here, and if you click on these stars, so the dark one or the filled stars are the ones that I'm tracking. Okay, so you can add add these keywords if you wanted to track them, right? So the ones that I'm tracking is under the tracked keywords tab. Okay, and then there are a bunch of other options here, uh, and I'm not trying to go in each. So low hanging fruit is insight. So it actually gave me these, and so for now, the fourth one, for example, Demio drip integrations, I've not added those as a goal because I need to make sure that how would I actually add this, because it's kind of broken a phrase or sentence. So I need to figure out if I really want to use this or optimize for this, right? Um, so you can see the performance here, the position, and the improvement so far because it's being tracked. I can ignore this when I decide to, and then I can go to the checklist. So this is really neat. This is something, at least it didn't catch my eyes. They added it and or improved it, the way it's presented in the top menus like this, the menu structure. As you can see, I would recommend still watch that video if you're interested. The link is down below again in this under this video, and then you can check a bunch of these things. And then for content, meaning just like on page SEO content based items like page titles, meta descriptions, headings. So you can go each one of them. So for example, image alt text. So do you have all the images that have alt text? So in my case, 26 pages have all images, have all alt text, alternate text. Okay, so I'm all good in that front. So you can quickly do that. And then when you, what's called technical indexation, sitemaps, canonical URL. I believe one of them, I was just kind of browsing before. So one of them is giving me that I don't even want to actually, this right now is no index, but for some reason it's canonical URL is this, but it's telling me that Google thinks that canonical is actually my website, which is in a way good. But I still need to fix this, right? So I can specify that, hey, author slash A. Agrawal is not the uh, canonical URL. All right, but for most part, I'm all good here, right? So see how simple and easy to actually understand this, and how simple and clear the layout is. So the UI and the user experience is just is really good. Okay, so this is, and then for links, you can check for broken links, internal links. I can check, let's say, broken links. I don't think I have any. Okay, so that's good. Internal links. All right, so internal links here, then it's, I got pages without internal links. I do know this already. I've seen this, but I haven't done anything about it as yet. This is really clean layout. And now, besides all of these features that are really laid out very well and very useful and clear, there's you can do site settings and all that. So nothing so exciting about that, but it's there obviously as for to set up your site or domain. And the report builder is the one I want to really hit on before I finish here, is that you have manual reports, then scheduled reports and custom templates. They're coming soon. I don't know when they're going to be released, but it's good to see that it's on the radar, on their plan to release those. So they've organized these sections, which is good. Now for manual reports, you can select any of these like SEO audit reports. So I generated this SEO audit report before, as you can see. It says 20th October, but I created maybe yesterday or opened it, but I don't know why it says 20th, because I think I did it a couple of days ago, maybe. So I don't know, maybe dates are messed up, but but that's not that important. And the key is that this SEO audit report is in HTML for now. I don't know if they're going to have a PDF or any other format, but once you open this, then it's like a page of the report. And I tried it that there is a print button. You can print to a PDF, for example, and that format comes out pretty good. So it's well formatted HTML page report. So it's not going to look ugly or anything. So I've done this. Okay. So that's all I had. Hopefully it helped, and I'll see you in another one. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give thumbs down twice, and subscribe and share. Talk to you later. Bye for now.